Hello everybody, this is Dr. Keen, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview on our site here in Canvas for pharmacology. If you've ever used Canvas before, then you should be familiar with how to use all the different applications, but if you're new to Canvas, hopefully this will help you a little bit. This is our homepage right here. You can see some information about me and the class summary that tells you some dates that are important for you. Over on the side here, I'm in the student mode right now, so you see the same thing that I do. So you'll have access to all of these tabs over here. Announcements, we're on the home page right now. Announcements, when we have announcements, the most recent ones will show up right here, about 3 of them, and you'll be able to see those there. You can also click that if you want to look back at the old ones. Modules is where we're going to spend most of our time in this course. So once you go there, you can see how it's set up with the different topics and assignments under there and different files under there and everything. Zoom links here, this is for both face-to-face and virtual people, because face-to-face people will use these charger time links when we have tutoring time during the day if you need tutoring, and virtual students will use these to come in on Mondays and Wednesdays when we have our synchronous days for pharmacology. So you'll have that access there. Down here, this is our first week right here, and you'll see how you can access that information there. So again, modules is what we're going to use most of the time, so get familiar with how to use that. And our calendar events will be over here. If you ever need to just look at your calendar, you can click here and it'll tell you what's going on all the different weeks, and I will keep that updated on a weekly basis. So just make sure that you're looking at that, and make sure you know what's going to be coming up in recent times. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can contact me through this inbox over here on the right, and that's just like you're using an email, you can send me a message there and I can see it and respond to you there as well. So that's a good way to communicate with me if you need information. Hope this helps, and again, if you have any other questions, just let me know.